Hey everyone, welcome to Toys. Today, we're going to be playing with these number rockets. These number rockets are made up of 3 pieces and each piece represents a number. What we have to do is match up those 3 pieces together. For example, if I find the bottom part and it says 4, then I have to find the middle part and the top part that also show 4. And who knows? Some of them might actually go up to space. Let's see. But before we start playing with these number rockets, don't forget to subscribe to Toys and click on that bell to be notified when we upload new videos every Monday and Thursday. Let's get rolling. Okay, we're going to start with the number 1. Let's find the middle part for number 1. Which one shows 1 star? The green one, the red one, the orange one, or the blue one?
It's the green one!
That's right, the green one. 1. Now we have to find the top piece. Which one says the word 1? The blue one, green one, red one, orange one?
It's the green one!
That's right, the green one. 1. Now we have the number 2. Let's find the middle piece for number 2. Okay, which one has 2 stars? Red one, blue one, or orange one?
This is easy. It's the blue one.
That's right, the blue one. 2. Now we're going to find the top piece for this rocket. The one that says the word 2. This says 3. This says 4. This says 2. 2. 2. Number 3. Let's find the middle piece. Which one shows 3 stars?
The orange one!
That's right, this one, the orange piece. 3. Now let's find the word 3. Here we have the word 4, and this is 3. 3. This number is 4. Let's find the middle piece for the number 4. Here it is. We have 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we got to find our top piece right here. The word 4. 4. We're off to our new set of rockets. Let's start with the number 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to build the number 5 rocket. In the middle, we're going to try to find 5 tallies, and on top, we're going to use 10 frames, so we're going to try to find 5 counters in the 10s frames. Okay, which piece shows 5 tally marks? The blue one, red, orange, or green? That's right, this one. 5 tally marks. Now we gotta find the top piece. Okay, which one shows the 10 frames that have 5 counters in them? That's right, this one. There's 5 counters in our 10s frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put it up in our rocket. Now we have the number 6. Let's find our middle piece that shows 6 tally marks. Okay, look closely. Which one shows 6 tally marks? You got it. This one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them standing up, 5 across, and 6. Let's place it on our rocket ship. Okay, which top shows the 10 frame that shows the 6 counters on it? Awesome job. This one right here. Right here we have 5 counters on top, plus 1 more on the bottom is 6. Place it on top of my rocket. Now we have the number 7. Let's try to find the middle piece that shows 7 tally marks. Okay, which one shows 7 tally marks? Remember, 4 standing up, 1 across is 5. 5 right here, 6, 7. Here it is, number 7, 7. Now let's find my top piece. Which shows 7 counters on my tens frame? Good job, that's right. This one shows 7 counters. 7. Now we have the number 8. Let's find our middle piece with 8 tally marks. Here's our last piece. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tally marks. And let's find my top piece. And here we have our tens frame with 8 counters. So we're going to place it on top. And here we have our number 8 rocket ship. On to our next set. Now we have the number 9, 10, 11, 12. Next number is 9. Let's try to find 9 stars. Okay, which one has 9 stars? That's right, here is 9 stars. 5 on top, count on, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Now let's find the top. Okay, which one has the word 9 written on it? 9 starts with the N sound. That's right. Only this one starts with the N, so it has to be this one. 9. 9. Next number is 10. Let's try to find the middle piece with 10 stars. Which one shows 10 stars? Right here, 10 stars. 5 on top, 5 on the bottom. 5 plus 5 is, you got it, 10. 10. Now we're going to try to find the top part. Which one says the word 10? N. Starts with a T sound. There's 2 that have T. You got it. 10. Place it on top. Here's my number 10 rocket.
Thanks so much for watching. We really hoped you learned some fun stuff today with these cool rocket ship games. Look at these real rockets flying, isn't it cool? Don't forget, Toys puts out videos every Monday and Thursday. So don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos. Thanks and have fun. Bye!